These are for data. They put SATA cables. These are for data. We have the audio and the video cards. So when you see this one, it's the audio card. That's also connected with power. So everything goes with power. So this is our SATA cable. It's connected to. We have this, and also it has the power cable. Yeah. So we have also our SSD card. Our SSD card also has the data cable. It is only also SATA data cable. It also has the power cable, as you can see. You see? So here, this cable covers. I put here is connected. And now it's showing what we have here. So let's show you where this cable is. Let's start with the assembly. So I'm showing you the object is this one, is the cable. The one I have here, so this one on. This cable is all moved through the PSU or PSU. That's the single component here. To the first two, PSU. So we need to remove the PS and go to the screws. Okay, the screws here, that's open. I need to do the right thing. You can fit there very well. This one. That is my extension. I have to this. So we are having power supply. For the PSU. So that we remove it. So this is where we start our power cable. I'm going to remove my power supply. So PSU here, I'm going to remove the PSU. So there is a lock where you have to press and remove the PS. So this is my PS. This is my power supply. This is the one which supplies. Actually, this converts the AC to the DC to AC. Okay? The direct current and the alternate. So this one converts the power. This is the work of the PS. Like it regulates the power to be used by the machine. So we put it aside. So here we have our motherboard. As you have looked here, is this the motherboard and the fan. There are two fans here. One is for CPU and the other one is for the whole system. We have also these cables. One might be for USB. So remove them. So my aim is I want to remove this motherboard. So I also unplug the one for fan. I also want to see the CPU. I also unplug this one. Also unplug this. So after unplugging all these ones, what I want to see is to remove the motherboard. Before you remove the motherboard, you can either first remove the fans, these two fans, but this one you don't need to do what, to remove it. But for to be on safe side, our motherboard to pass needs to do what, to remove. So I'm going to open them. Try to get the right tool to use. So here what I'm doing, I'm removing the fan. Let's say the processor fan. Can call it that way. So this one covers or cools the CPU.
You take the two stem.
So this is my processor fan. As you can see, it covers the CPU, or you can call it the central processing unit. It's our CPU. So our CPU is being locked. This is a lock here. So what you are seeing is a lock. You lock it, position it, and lock it. So since I want to remove the motherboard, I also have to remove this one. Be on the safe side. So as you see the motherboard, but let me first remove this one. Let me first remove this one. So the motherboard, I'm going to open it. It is mounted on the case, or call it the cover. So I have to open, as you see these bolts, I have to unbolt all these bolts so that I can remove my motherboard out. So I need to get the right tool. I use this one. Put it in a safe place.
Hey, to call it. Hey, I see where he's not going. See a couple of.
So
Yes, sir. You will hear.
this
Yes,
is
sir.
okay.
Everyone, I'm waiting. kyogedde kituufu. Ngenda tumayo abaana bange. Gundi eriwa?
Blower eri awo wansi. Wansi wano. Here. Under the table.
Naye. Naye.
So,
Those guys are recording something. What is wrong with that? This is the workshop.
so I'm done. I'm done with opening the. I'm done with opening my motherboard, so I want to remove it.
That's why they're opening from there. At least it's shouting a lot that it will not do.
Pausing it. Since this is a motherboard, so when you want to check your CPU, you just unlock this one. It's just a lock. So this is our CPU. This chip you're seeing here, this is our CPU, where your work, all central processing, where all your data stuff is being kept. It receives the work and everything from the RAM. Because we don't have RAM here now, it just requires just the chip, and then so you press it back.
You Morocco, you are where are you? What are you doing? What are you doing? Eh? People are doing things here.
You see that?
Eh?
Who did you self-tapping?
Self-tapping that. Ziri waka. You can even try to allow waka.
So you press it
But yet
back
I'm
like
such a
that.
good jail. We know again. Then the just Ziri will deal with box a yard. Yazira, a box of Yazira. Wait, before you look at the angles before you put it.
This guy, they're recording.
It's okay, isn't it? So it's guiding it. It's okay. So we are done with it. We're putting it back. So we have many things here, and some of them we haven't looked at them, but with time we are going to go through them. So every component here has its function. Every port you see here has its own function. There's this luminous, and
But officially you have
specifically that is it. And then we have the, as you can see here,
because I see the truth here. They are folding up.
let's remove that.
I don't know when we shall use this one. But we shall use it to cut trunking Z. Eh? Hey! But take out the trunking, you know, this is over Saturday. We're going to take up.
That thing cannot make a line.
And these things
So
are
this
new.
one here we have our SSD card. So this is our SSD card and this is the hard disk. So this is what I'm talking of. The SSD card. This is the hard disk. So I'm going to assemble back my work. So then we start with these ones. This one goes back. I'm going to assemble my PC and this mounted board. So right now we are going to assemble all our components back to our PC. So it's my SSD card. Okay. Take it back. So hard disk. Fan.
You have a screwdriver? Kugambye kumanje. Ekibuzo kye mbadde njagala. So this course unit is called
Computer repair
PCK and maintenance.
Computer repair and maintenance.
You when you are screwing, you do it evenly. Don't finish one side. So come this side. You do diagonally. Kyogiraba ngeno yesterday waggulu. Ninga nakwaga. Omutima Mama.